Welcome to the headquarters of the National Chronographic Society, publishers of the famous National Chronographic Datazine. We are currently working on an exciting special issue called Dinosaur Safari, Dinosaurs of the Mesozoic Age. Your job will be to collect data crystals of dinosaurs and other extinct reptiles for this special issue. Why don't I show you around? This is the cladogram room. In the cladogram room, you will select a target dinosaur and prepare for your safari. Just down the hall is the chronosphere room. The chronosphere may be used to travel through time. You are now in the late Triassic period, 218 million years in the past. The chronosphere may also be used to travel around the world. Notice that the continents on the globe are not in their modern-day positions. You have now reached the edge of a conifer forest growing in what will one day be Montana. You may wish to ask for information about the places you visit. Many dinosaurs hunt along the borders of forests like this. This reddish soil is caused by the rusting of iron particles in the warm, dry Triassic climate. Your chronosphere also has a built-in data crystal camera. Each click of the camera fills one data crystal. Selecting the crystal allows you to see the data inside. Information about the dinosaur and its behavior is displayed. Scientific terms are automatically translated into everyday language. Therichosaurus belongs to the Therichosauridae or cross lizard family. The Field Guide tool may be used to identify plants and animals. Araucarioxylon, an ancient conifer. Cicadioidea, a cicadophyte. Itopsodema, a tree fern. Your chronosphere is equipped with many other interesting tools, including a video camera, a radar device, and a dinosaur lure. This bar tells you how much energy you have left. You must return to the National Chronographic Society before your energy runs out. When you return from your safari, you will go back to the cladogram room and sell your best data crystals for energy credits and other rewards. Dinosaur data crystals are stored on a clad tree. You may trace your dinosaur's scientific classification by following the branches of the clad tree, the Reptilia, or crawler class, the Herrerasauria, or Herrera's lizard order. You may access the images that you have collected at any time. Therichosaurus. Downstairs you will find your office. Perhaps you would like to examine some of the useful information stored here before you begin work.
I want my own place, but Sam didn't exactly see things my way. We had a huge fight about it a few days back. It was no big deal, man. We just shook hands when it was over. But now that he's dead, everybody's probably going to point the finger at me, like I'd kill the guy just to break the contract.
My husband had girlfriends, but it's nothing new. He began sleeping around within a few months of our marriage 10 years ago. Sometimes he'd spend the night with one, and that's what I assumed he was doing last night.
Do you have any idea who might want Sam Rupert dead?
You mean, do I know who killed him? No. But I half hope it was Lilith.
You mean Mrs. Rupert?
Well, she had the motive. See, Sam plays around. People probably wonder why she didn't do it sooner.
I'm the maitre d' here at Sam's. I want you to know I considered Sam a good friend. And this whole thing may be all my fault.
Who killed Sam Rupert? Sam was a successful restaurateur who was apparently better at making enemies than friends. Was it his girlfriend? Or his wife? The disgruntled chef? Or maybe the bartender who was stealing money? The finger points to everyone, and you only have 6 hours to solve the case. Who Killed Sam Rupert? Winner of 4 Envision Awards, including Best Adult Game. The first multimedia mystery game from the Virtual Murder series, available wherever you purchased The Magic Death.